Oh shit. It's such a funny thing to say though. That's like good, man. That's like good. I thought you were working. This is a fire, bro.
Bahrain is still.
She's the one with the reddish hair. She was on the business guy, or that's Sylvia.
I try to keep everybody just tell him because I don't want anybody to get wet. I don't want anybody to get lost, and I'd like to eat lunch on a timely fashion.
Which is nice. It's just better to do because at least it's not pouring right now.
Yes.
Coming in there? How's the foot?
Looking good.
You can't pull that all the way over that, can you? Can you pull the sweatshirt all the way over that and over your toe?
No.
No.
It's gonna
I should have done
make.
when I thought about it. The chaplain's told me just get a big old sock.
I figured out how to zoom.
Maybe watch that umbrella. Come on over here away from people. And then when you get next to people, watch the umbrella. I wonder what that's about. And Asia?
That's yours. Yeah. Oh, that's hers too. The plus.
Oh, no. Not, thank God, not yet.
I think it's legal in this country.
Someone's got broken dreams. Well, you know what? I take a walk around my village, and they have vending machines for cigarettes.
Yeah, it's
Out, yeah. And then in the club, which the cigarette thing was right next to, they had these very fancy smoke pipes, and they have king and queen chairs that you can sit in.
Huh.
I thought, oh man,
Something else.
yeah, lots of things are acceptable.
I know the smoke machines, like, I've seen them back home. My mom said they used to be plugged in bars, convenience stores.
Yes, you know, they did used to be in convenience stores and bars. And so we be interested in restoring just mechanical things or wood pieces or
I'd be interested in restoring, wooden things, but
things too.
like old-time cars and stuff. I think that'd be pretty cool.
Yes. My dad works on older cars. It's like a nice shop here. Yes, it does. And then it looks more like perfumery and bathhouse stuff. Oh, I see the bathrobes. Yes. She said it didn't go.
I ran.
But thank you for being kind. I appreciate it. The birds up there. Where I'm from, we don't have pigeons. In Macomb,
Yeah, I'm from around the Dallas area. So.
do you have pigeons?
Nah, all we got are crows,
Oh, yeah, we have crows.
buzzards.
Early spring and hang out by the Mississippi Dam. And then you can see them swooping down and getting your fish, is what they tell me. I haven't actually experienced it myself.
I know pigeons tend to hang around bigger cities. They might be in Dallas, but I've never noticed it.
Well, I was in Paris and there were plenty of pigeons.
Oh, yeah.
There were so many, one of them I thought it was going to break. And people were feeding.
One pooped on my arm.
in Bahrain for 2 years. Yeah, they got the.
Real person.
Oh, there's a real person. Yeah, I almost touched it. Like,
Yeah.
oh.